Liam Ottley has been talking a lot about the AIOS agency model and how you can sell this to $5, $10, $15, $20,000 for business owners, but everyone's overcomplicating it and he's never really actually told you how to do it without you having to go buy his course for $5, $10, $15,000. So I'm going to be explaining it to you like you're a 5-year-old. Then you'll be able to actually understand and know how you can go out and sell this to business owners for $10, $20, $30,000, whatever it may be, because you can. So after this video, you're going to know everything about the AIOS model, how to run it, and how to actually do it in real life. So I promise you, watch this video. It's going to help you out a ton. Okay, let's get into it. So the old way of the agency OS model was a big audit, a roadmap, build. You'd have different agents for everything. Each agent is on its own island. It needs its own writing, its own context, and it's pretty much just like automate one process and then move to the next and next and next and next. That is the slow way. That's not the way we want to do it. Now, in Liam's words, we've been digging with a teaspoon, right? And the actual opportunity is massive. So what is that? Let's flip this. We start with the owner. That is where the operating system works around. The owner has access to the entire operating system, now not the process behind this. So we then hand it all over to the owner, the context OS, which is the bake in everything the business knows. The rate folders, the ChatGPT plus the Claude history, the docs, clients, numbers, everything in the context OS that the owner hands over to us. We put that in the context operating system around the business. Next, we integrate. It doesn't just read the business, it can fully run it. So we have Stripe, the CRM, the ads, the analytics, everything integrated into our operating system, which we're setting up with Claude, okay? Now, /explore. This actually tells us what we want to automate. It plans, it chunks, it builds, it tests. The founder literally just asks anything it can think of. So we're building the operating system here for the founder, and we're doing that in Claude. It's pretty easy to explain to Claude what you're doing, tell it we're building the context OS system for the founder, dump everything into it, give it access to all the integrations, and then they can use the /explore command to actually explore, right? Layer 4 is the reflexes. The automations actually fire without it being asked, okay? So as you can see here, you have automations still running without things being asked. The owner leaves, and automations can just keep firing away and running without them, right? Now, this is where you can actually prove it and then track it. So you take the ROI tracker, right? Look at the invoice chaser. For example, if you have a human, they're chasing invoices down 30 plus times a day. If you have an AI doing it, it does it 34 times, saves them X amount of hours. Call prep saves them this much time, weekly report saves them this much time. You can calculate all those hours into dollars, and then you'll never lose a retainer. You just have to show them the ROI. So there's one system, there's 4 ways to actually get paid around this. So you can teach them how to fish, right? Which means you're gonna train, you're gonna fly out, you're gonna install, teach. You add a setup, you add the monthly, and it's a 3-month package. So that's how it is, that's the train. You go out and you actually train them. Second is the service. So you install the OS for you to build on clients to actually get a chat window. You keep the dev engine, so 2.5K a month, no developers, 1 person, right? That's the service model. Third is the product. So you can niche it into a product, right? So a 10K setup, wrap it in a dashboard, give them the fish, not the rod, as they say. So you give it to them in the product and you wrap it in a dashboard. 4 is the partner model. You don't remodel the legacy house. You start with the AI first business with the owner. You get equity and profit share. So there's 4 models. You can have the train model, or you can have the service model, the product, or the partner model for the agency OS. These are 4 models that are all very good, and you can use any of these to make sure that you can actually get paid and get reliable results for your client. Now, this is why the retainer only goes up with the agency OS model. Each system you ship needs maintaining, and maintaining is the product. So the retainer stacks every time you ship because maintenance is the actual product. So you install it for 2.5K a month, you add another system, you get to 3K a month, you add another system, you get to 4K a month, and you add another system, you actually get to 5K a month on this model. So you don't necessarily need to start the 5K up front right away. You start 2.5K. Every time you make something and ship something, the price goes up. So this is how you can actually get screwed on this. This is how you die as a beginner and don't make any money with it. You meet a business owner day one. You try to sell the entire OS to the business owner. It sounds incredibly complicated. You'll never get the sale. Now, this is exactly what you can do to solve the problem. You just find one big problem that's bleeding money inside their thing. You instantly put the ROI in on one payment. You just get the ROI proven to them, generate the trust layer. From there, the OS will grow out and expand. So you can get to that 5K a month level and charge those big fees. It's trust in this game. You don't need to go for the upfront fee right away. Just get the trust with the first amount of money in, and then from there you just grow and build as you move along. So the business has never changed. It's just the leverage on how we do it. It's the exact same machine. We're just executing at a way higher rate, right? So there's no more teaspoon, scoop and spoon era. It's the same dirt, it's just a new machine that we're using and leveraging. I hope this all makes sense, guys, because that's exactly how you can install the Cloud OS system. Now, best tip for this, literally take all these things I've talked about, take the transcript of this YouTube video, upload it into Claude and say, listen, I want to do this for XYZ business owner. Let's do this for them. Help me walk through the process. Talk to Claude like it's your friend and they'll walk you through exactly how to do it all. Thank you for watching this video. Now follow for more and subscribe.